MiraiMind. So this is another AI app. Create your own AI. So just taking a look at it. Tired of AI character that forget your name after 5 minutes? Welcome to MiraiMind's deep conversation, evolving stories and characters that truly remember you. So this is the idea. Build your own AI character, deep character interaction, AI art creation. Contact us. Start. So that's how you can just start creating the character in here. And then yeah, you can just install, and then you can just open this up, and then you can just continue. You just select your and then you can just start chatting just like that. Then you can just search, then you can see messages, then you can see your account. You can try to sign in here easily, and then you can just, here you will see it's super easy to sign in. You can create your characters and you can just subscribe. And yeah, so that's kind of the idea. So check this out.